Yo! So what you're looking at is, what are you looking at? Blue sky. You're looking at blue sky. And you're looking at this. This is, I gotta use it's a podium mic, man. And women. It's a, podium mic. It's some, I can't remember the name. It's an old name. I'll write it right there. So they've been around for a long time. My dad remembered the company. I never heard of them, but it's just a podium mic. But they're condensers. If you know much about these little elements, it's a condenser. It needs phantom power. Let's see if I can do this without destroying the world. Phantom power and a mic pre. I tried just phantom power without the mic gain preamp model, and it wasn't loud enough. So I have it, and it has line out. It senses TRS or TS. So I'm using a guitar patch cable to go out into a normal guitar in on my effects pedal, and then I'm sending the XLR in from this little mic and applying phantom power and some gain, about 3/4. And then you'll hear you hear that delay. That means it's going through my little speakers. And so that's this mic picking up the guitar and sending it through the guitar effects and then out to my little amp speakers. So that means the effects are working. So it's going through the pedal, it's picking up, and I want to see the tone. Basically, even the most expensive internal mic setups, they put a transducer under the saddle, and then they put a little condenser, which I did by itself. You're supposed to do both, and then they have the blender, EQ and all that goes on this. I just got the mini condenser internal for the first Guitalele, and it's got 9 volts, so it's active, so it's just enough. It's good enough. It worked, but I had to EQ all the mids out of it. Even the most expensive pickup internal mic setups for acoustics always have handling noise. So like right now, this would sound like sandpaper. Okay, but it sounds normal. It just sounds like a guy rubbing his guitar because it's a mic. If you had a pickup system in there, it'd sound like sandpaper. It'd be loud as hell because you're picking up, what's coming in, what's inside and all that. So this little mic is my solution to not having to put electronics in any more of these. I have the first one that has the pickup, and that's the one set up as a dobro. That works perfect because you have it on your lap. It's got the little right angle cord hanging out. You can plug into any little scratchy, distorted guitar. In fact, I ordered a mobile little battery powered amp. So there's your little, porch stomping setup. But for hi-fi and getting the real essence of an acoustic instrument, nothing beats a freaking condenser in front of it, man. And typically it's only done in the studios, but so far I'm getting a good signal to noise ratio, no hum and no feedback. I can feed it back if I go max, but this is to see if the condenser actually does pick up real life better than a transducer pickup or whatever. And then the proximity effect. tight. Open up. And this is my voice through this. It's actually a nice little sparkly freaking mic. It's tiny. It's amazing. It's presidential. It's in the vocal range. So it lacks some of the frequencies that you would find on a full dreadnought acoustic. But for the Guitalele, the high register string instrument, it seems to be groovy. Right up on it, right up, pull back a little bit. That's about 3 inches old, and that's 4 and 5. 5 is about the furthest that you wanna be. 3 is great, probably the average that you wanna shoot for. And right up on it, if you're doing real quiet shit. Oh, right up on it, 1 inch away if you want to get all technical. See, those highs didn't sound as good with the pickup inside. Still waiting for my strap buttons, so I'm holding it. Every song is recycled, every song is recycled, yeah. Yeah, every song is recycled. Every song is recycled, yeah. Every song is recycled. Every freaking chord progression, every freaking chord progression, every freaking for you. It's windy out here too. It's doing good in the wind. Yabba dabba doo, how are you? What you gonna do when the COVID's through? Oh, bucket list, what the hell? It's time to exist. Mets is gonna hit the streets just to get something to eat. I can do that all day. Intonation's good, man. Not bad. Not bad intonation. It's out of tune again. They do go out of tune a lot, but that's the way nylon is, man. You just live with it because you love it, man. It's just like any of the other relationship. You just deal with it. I got this fancy tuner. I'll tell you about that later. You get what you pay for with tuners, believe it or not. Who knew that? Who knew, man? And it programs the 432. I don't have to reset it every time. Turn it on. It's 432, ready to go. Again, I'll talk about it later. And again, this test is to see if a condenser in a live windy situation will still sound supreme over any other pickup system. for $30 used and a $40 preamp, dude. Okay, and I think it sounds like $200, $300, $400 mic pickup, man. I told myself I'm a mic guy, I'm a sound guy, and I would rather deal with feedback issues than handling noise, because handling noise never goes away, no matter how expensive you pay for your electronics in there. Sorry about that. And it's a biatch. So I figured, yeah, what? Nothing beats a condenser, dude. That's the theme of this movie. Nothing beats a condenser. Even in live situations, unless I had a loud band, I can get away with it because I'm just a minstrel. Domo allegato, Mr. Roboto. I'm a minstrel, so I could deal with it. If full band, yeah, you can't do it. But if you're a busker, man, or a cafe guy, condenser on the instrument, dude. Bring your own. Bring your TC Helicon so you can jazz in little effects. Just do it up, man. Hand them a chord. Say, here you go. I'm pro. Like that. That's out. Alright, yeah, this is the glorious one. I got 3 of them, and this was the sweetest sounding one. So you can hear the difference right here. Watch this. Ooh. So this one's gonna stay home, man. This one's not for the road. See, it makes you play better. Just so you know, it took 3 mail order Guitalele's to get what you could find in a store. I was never into mail order, but the first one was pretty damn nice. The second one's good. It's got a buzz. I got to work on it, and it's not as full. This one has almost a full-size guitar tone, almost. So the gems are out there. $100 freaking Guitalele. There's gems, man. And I did lower the action. I shaved down the saddle on this one. Yeah, love this one, huh? Ah, yes. Guitaleles. So it seems to work. Working.